If you want to learn how I went from this to this in less than 5 minutes, then keep on watching. God, who am I on this video? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you the beauty basics so that you can feel confident with your existing makeup skills so you can go out there and show up bigger for the more important parts of your life. In today's video, I am sharing you how I take my makeup from this to this. Now this is just one of many looks that I like to pull off, especially again when I'm running late. I'm not all about putting on a full face of makeup. There's plenty of other videos if you want to go check out those ones, but if you're a type of person who is running late or you just need something quick, something easy, something to just slap on your face so that you can get to the more important parts like a business meeting or something on Zoom, then just keep on watching this video. If you haven't yet enrolled into my free makeup workshop, then go to the link below and reserve your spot today. They're super fun. You're gonna learn how to apply your makeup. You come with any questions or all the questions you have. It's a great way to meet and connect with people across the world and just get ready together. Okay guys, this is going to be my, I got a Zoom meeting in 10 minutes and this is what I look like, look. The reality is I actually have a Zoom meeting in about half hour and I gotta film a YouTube video, so what better video to film than this one? Okay, so obviously I have fresh skin, freshly washed, moisturized skin, because we all need to do that. And I'm going to actually put my primer on my face. Remember to dab it on your face, press it in, don't rub it around. And honestly guys, if you're like really in a rush, I would probably just actually skip this step. And if you want to learn what type of products you should be actually using on your face for your skin type, make sure you go take that quiz right here. So I am using CC cream, so I'm going to actually use the Pollution Defense. This has SPF 30 in it. It's like my favorite all-time everyday lightweight put on your face product. So I'm mixing the colors medium and light. I find the medium is just a little bit too dark for me right now, but just adding a bit of light will just kind of tone it down. Now I am actually just going to go in right with my fingers because if I am in a rush, I don't even have time to wet my beauty blender. So put that on my face. The nice thing with the CC cream is it actually has a little bit of a dewy finish, and I also find it really oxidizes very nicely into to really match your true skin tone. So if it looks a little off at the beginning, then just wait it out. I pinky swear it's just gonna like totally blend and oxidize beautifully right into your skin. Everybody just needs a little CC cream in their life. Okay, so I am actually going to go in with some concealer. Not all the time do I add concealer if I'm in a really big rush, but I'm just gonna add a little dab in it, and I'm gonna actually use my concealer brush just because I freaking love it. And I'm gonna just apply it in the inner corner. So I'm not gonna do like a full-on brightening, lightening, highlight little thing here. I'm just gonna put it a little bit. Why not dab it right onto the eyelids as well, just because I got some. And then flip the brush over and just buff it out, making sure you go like back and forth all directions along the side of the nose and out towards it, towards the temple. So that is literally all that I'm going to do. As far as concealer, if I have some blemishes, I might conceal them depending on how they are. I mean, I definitely do, but I'm not concerned about that. I'm going just for a really sheen look. Again, quick, simple, slap on some Masic. That's not a word. Slap on some makeup so that you can just get on your business meeting and like hopefully the distortion of the camera will just make you look just fly as can be. The point here is just to be really simple and quick. And all that I'm going to use to set my concealer is I'm going to use some pressed powder. Now, Arbonne actually just recently came out with some brand new pressed powders, and I can't wait to get my hands on them, but for now, I'm using the old one. I'm not using setting powder, mainly just because I don't want anything really heavy. I'm just setting my concealer so that throughout my meeting, my concealer's not gonna like melt off or crease a bunch. So I'm gonna go in with this flat brush and literally just like tap it on top of that concealer. I do not want too much powder right there. Apply it right onto my eyelids as well. So everybody just has a different tolerance level of what they feel like their parts of their body, what they feel that they have to put makeup on. Like if you are the type of person who just like cannot leave the house with no makeup on, you need a minimum of, if I'm being completely honest, I am a-okay with leaving the house without any makeup on. But then it goes to eyebrows and mascara. Absolute must for me. Foundation, concealer, that is last. Lips are last for me. I don't really care too much about foundation, and if I'm being completely honest, if you know, you know. For me, makeup, any type of makeup is like a bra. I love it. I love wearing it. It feels awesome on my skin. I don't mind it, but as soon as I get home, like, take it off. Let me breathe. Let them free. Like, just let loose. Okay, so next is my all-time favorite contour palette. Now, I just literally like was scraping by on my old one, so I finally got my new one. So this is what the packaging actually looks like literally brand new. Here we go. Who am I in this video? Anyways, okay, so I'm just going to go in first with a contour, which is called Meteor. It's on the bottom. I guess if you're looking at the palette, it's on the bottom right-hand corner. I'm just going to go in with an angled brush. If you kind of need a tour of brushes, then make sure you go check out this video right here. I basically break down the brushes and what to look for what type of brush. So you're not like standing in the store and be like, what do I do? What do I buy? Now, also, if you are kind of like looking at this palette and you're like, I don't even know where to start with it, then go download my free, Go download my free guide. It's my 5 secrets to a flawless face. In there, you will actually receive an exclusive video that will break down this palette in particular, but basically how to bronze, how to contour, how to highlight, how to blush. What are the rules? What do you do? What don't you do? All the things. So go download that guide. I'll leave the link for it in the comments. No, not in the comments. In the description box below this video. So then right next to it is the bronzer right over here. Basically a bronzer, you will know that it's a bronzer because it is, well, actually not all bronzers have shimmer to it, but this one does. I personally like a shimmer to my bronze, So as you can tell, I'm really just like literally slapping on a face of makeup because that's all I'm going for. I just want to show up a little bit like nicer than this, look professional on my meetings and for people to take me serious. Okay, so heading above, right here is the blush color Moonstone. It is called. It's gorgeous. It is honestly going to look so good on all skin tones because it has a coral, peachy, corally shimmer to it. That color is just like right in between cool and warm. If you're warm, it looks good on you. You pull out the warm tones. If you're cool, you're like cool. No, if you're cool tone, then it will just bring out more cool tones. So works wonderfully. No wonder Arbonne put it in this palette. So I'm just going to take it on and tap it right onto my cheek. Now, just because I have this palette, I'm going to apply the highlighter, and it is Stardust. It's that beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous color right there. So I'm going to use a fan brush. I'm going to just like literally tap it in there and just right on top. We're going from 0 to 60 right here. Okay, so as you know, I cannot leave my house without my eyebrows done. Well, no, that's a lie. Like I said, I can, but I like my eyebrows done, and oh my god, thank you for finally opening up Saskatchewan so I can finally get these taken care of. They're horrible. I don't even know what to do. I don't tweeze them, so they are just out to lunch. I am so lost with them that even filling them in, I'm just like, I give up. Now where did my brush go? Okay, so in that instance, that's when I really like to use a pencil, because pencil, you just can kind of like, just go with it. Slap that baby on and just fill those things in. Make it look like something. So I brushed the hair, and now I'm just gonna go and follow where I believe I should have a bit of shape and just kind of fill it in. Going for like an au naturel look, because again, these are au naturel. If you want to know how I actually fill in my eyebrows to make them look just absolutely beautiful, then go check out this video right there. I actually walk you through the whole step and how to actually like do a beautiful looking eyebrow versus a nice and quick eyebrow like today. I'm just gonna stop. Just gonna stop. I have 2 days until I get these things taken care of. For now, we're just gonna stop. Okay, as you know, when I'm going to add in just a little bit of eyeshadow, I always love to set my eyes first, so I'm going to go in with the color Marble, and this is from the volume 2. It just creates such a nice little base for your eyeshadows to sit on top of. Now, if you want to watch how to apply a really nice, beautiful eyeshadow and the proper way of applying your eyeshadows, whatever the color, then go check out this video right there. I'll link it in there. Okay, and then I am actually just going to go right on back to the Starlight Glow Palette, which is the reason why I love it so much, is you can literally use this for your entire face. Go in with that same one that I used for my contour, and I'm going to apply it with a fluffy brush right into the crease. So this is just going to add just a little bit more to my eyes so they don't look so flat. And because I'm just feeling it, I'm going to go in with that same highlight color, the Stardust, and I'm just going to apply that right onto the very, like, my eyelid, basically, right on top of my eyeball. And mainly just because I'm feeling it, I'm just going to darken it up with the Cypress color here on volume 1. Just darken that outer corner crease, just to add a little bit more to my eye. And you're just getting the real, the full quick face. I am going to use a pencil eyeliner just to add a little eyeliner, thicken up my lashes. I think that's mainly just because I like to do it when I'm doing a Zoom meeting, because I find that my eyelashes, if I don't have some strip lashes, which if I'm being honest, I like never have them on for just a quick Zoom meeting. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of eyeliner to thicken them, make them stand out a little bit more. Okay, let's apply our mascara. 3 coats, baby. Last but not least is always some Primrose Lipgloss. Love this one. Done. Now let's go deal with this situation. Just 1 second here. There we go. Okay, feeling fresh, feeling professional, feeling like I can go nail this a business meeting. Now, as I mentioned earlier, you can download my 5 secrets to a flawless face. The link is just below this video. In there, I have my simple 5-step formula for you to achieve that flawless face every time, no matter if you're going for something quick or something a little bit more full glam. If you follow those rules, you will basically achieve a beautiful flawless face every single time. And just like always, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and head down to the comments below and tell me what is the thing that you like have to do to as far as your makeup routine goes. You cannot leave your house without it. Like, you know, mine are eyebrows and mascara. What are yours? And I encourage you to subscribe to this channel if you want to keep learning beauty basics just like this one. Hit that notification bell so that you're notified every week when I post a new video. And if you want some more inspiration for different makeup looks, business related, anything, then head over to my Instagram at kate.redding and check out my content over there. And don't forget, go check out these awesome videos right here. See you guys next week.